Nerf seals, this is my Nerf gun collection update. You may think this Night Finder is my first, that's what it's called, my first Nerf gun. I told you it, I think. It wasn't that Recon, it wasn't that Stampede, it wasn't that Mag Strike. It was a Retaliator. That's why I have all like new guns. Like, I bought this brand new on Amazon for like $20 because it was still in box. It was brand new. It's not the Icon series or anything. And this one I got from my friend. So that's why you may see some older guns here. But yeah, that was my first gun. Alright, so other guns that I got recently that I haven't shown you. Got the Stampede. That thing I've always wanted since I held it. When I held it at my friend's house, I was like, I need to get one. I almost paid the $450 for a new one. But then they're like, well, we're actually bringing it back, so I bought that. So, you may think, is this all your Nerf guns? Most of them. I still have like 30%, 33% downstairs I'm going to show you. Alright, so you may be thinking, how do you fit all those Nerf guns in your room? Well, I actually have a separate room for them. So, I usually just throw them. It feels like I have a lot more Nerf guns because I'm the only one who plays with them. It feels like I have a lot more Nerf guns when I lay them all out like this than if I have them in my room and just throw them in there. Alright, so like, most of these have some stories behind them. Some of them don't, like I just bought them at the store. This one I bought, and this one was after we went to a hotel. This is at the store and I bought it, so there's one story for you. You may think, oh, they're so arranged so good, and then triggers all you. Get it? This is like so big, and then just look at that little handle. It's really comfy though, which is surprising. Alright, so you may see some older guns like this one. Oh yeah, you may think the Maverick was my first one too. No, I also bought that new for like $40. I buy like all the older new ones. That isn't even an Icon series. It's like some. It's not the Black Ops series. Not the Black Ops series. The something series. But I got that and this one both at like the same time for very expensive. Well, I could just go to the store and buy one of these, which is just like literally like the same gun. The Fire Strike is literally like the same as a Night Finder, but even better. The old, the new. I got this one before I got that one, which is really hilarious because well, not really that one. That are all discontinued. And I have an okay amount of discontinued guns. I got into Fortnite. I got into Nerf later, so that's why I have all like the newer, none of the older ones. Like, I don't have an original Stampede or whatever. I do have an original Night Finder, but I don't have an original Maverick. I do, but it's not yellow. I don't really have much original guns, but I have newer guns, which arguably are better. I think the older ones look better, but the newer ones like shoot faster, I guess. Alright, you may be thinking, is this all your Nerf guns? Let me show you my 33% more. It's about a third more. You may be thinking, where are all your Fortnite Nerf guns, Spencer? You don't got no Fortnite Nerf guns. You don't think so? Well, actually, one's coming in the mail, but the one mini Jolt shotgun's coming in the mail, but this is all the rest of them. Bought all of them. Here's even the mag. This is all the darts for him. This little, I hate that they went out of business, like the Nerf, whatever people, the perks. Cause I had I could get one of these if they were on there. I had so much points. I got this, which I actually just hold darts in. It's not a shoebox, put Jordans in there. So like this, they all have different colors, which is cool. The mega darts. They always come with twice as much as you could use. I bought these. It's actually cheaper to buy 2 of these than to buy 2 of these because this in a pack is $40. It's dualies. I think that's what they're called. And those, you should buy 2 of those. But I love playing Fortnite. I play it every day. And I still do. If you say Fortnite's dead, you're wrong. And if you say it sucks, you suck. So, I play a lot of Fortnite, so I have over 100 wins. And I only played for like 1 season. I started that season, the new one, the one of the chapter 2. Then I got all like 100 in 1 season. So, yeah. So that's why I bought all of them. And plus, they just look cool. Like, all other Nerf guns don't look like guns. Like, the Scar, it relatively looks like a Scar. Now I should get a Scar. Okay, like, these actually look like real guns, so. And this is actually like a $10 Nerf gun. It's really powerful, like. It goes like that with mega darts. They always come with twice as much things as you can hold. Like, this one probably came with 4. I had no idea. That one probably came with 8. Like, this holds 12. It came with 24. Like, they never do that with any other Nerf guns. Like, you know what the one thing that I hate about this is the slants like this instead of that. It's literally the opposite of that. So, this was like $15. I didn't want to buy it at the start, and then I was like, I love Fortnite, I'm buying it. And so, yeah, I spent like all my birthday money on this. But guess what? It's worth it. Just seeing this, I want to put it upstairs, but I was like, this is too pretty to put upstairs. So I just keep this down here just to sit and look at it. You know, occasionally I'll just take one of these. My brother's building Legos or something, I'll go pop them in the shoulder or back. Yeah. These are literally the exact same gun as this one, but different color paint job. This one says sht. This one has, well, it doesn't say sht. It says sht. And this one has a suppressor or can or whatever you call it. It's not circular. It's like oval. And it also has this. So it's actually better if you bought 2 of these. It would be cheaper and you could get 2 of these and have a little red dot on there if you bought 2 of these. It costs $5 more. You don't get the red dot. You don't get the sh, and you don't get this. So yeah. But guess what? I bought them. I'll probably buy more Nerf guns, like more Fortnite Nerf guns. This gun right here by itself costs $30. It's literally just a strife, but like this color, well, this model. But just this sound makes it worth it. Just this. That sound though. And look, you can just like you can put this in any Nerf gun, but I like to put them just in Fortnite ones. See, that actually does look cool, so you can be like, and you can like play with these like if they were actually like Fortnite IRL in real life. It's a cool mag for a 6-round mag. I got old 6-round mags, so yeah, I'm probably gonna buy like, I don't know, like, I haven't bought a lot of Nerf guns besides I bought the Stampede a few days ago. So I'll probably buy like, I don't know, $500 worth of Nerf guns soon. And then I guess I'll make a review on all those, I guess. I don't know. Because I haven't bought a lot of Nerf guns besides one more trip. So I'm gonna buy some more. Nerf sale out.